Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the re-established Nuclear Medicine Division at the University Hospital of the West Indies will improve the diagnosis and management of non-communicable diseases, including cancers and cardiac diseases. He made the comment while addressing the opening ceremony on Thursday. The re-established Nuclear Medicine Division has been retrofitted with state-of-the-art single-photon emission computed tomography, SPECT, computed tomography CT, which will provide critical and advanced diagnostic capabilities for a range of disorders. SPECT CT scan provides true 3D information to analyze the functions of internal organs for early diagnosis and treatment of conditions such as cardiac problems and cancer. It can diagnose and track the progression of cancer that has spread to the bones and other affected areas of the body. The facility was established through the collaborative effort of the UHWI, Ministry of Health and Wellness, the Planning Institute of Jamaica, and the International Atomic Energy Agency.